For the banded trap 3 raise, we want to set up with our bank anchored in front of us, hands just outside shoulder width apart, and our primary goal is to make sure we keep shoulder, hip and knee stacked throughout. As we pull the band back overhead, we're going to breathe and brace into the abdominals, imagining you're wearing a belt, pushing out into that belt. We want the arms to stay straight, and the muscles we're using here are the upper traps and the rear of the deltoids. Make sure you don't lean back as you pull forward, keep your head slightly over your toes and your weight ever so slightly forward. Glutes tight throughout and biceps cover the ear. The priority in this exercise is to ensure that we don't lean back. This is why we have the bench here. The cue is to keep pressing the stomach into the bench, keeping the shoulder, hip and knee stacked throughout. As we work through the different angles here, we can see we're working to keep our arms nice and straight. There's no shifting from side to side, and I'm most definitely not coming off the bench. As we pull the dumbbells up overhead, the muscles we're using here are in the upper back and shoulders. Think about making yourself as stiff as a board and then pulling firmly back through the upper back to raise those dumbbells overhead. A little shrug at the top will be a big help.